In this video, you will be presented with an overview of a .NET Azure App Service Diagnose and Solve Problems Generated .NET Profiler Trace report, which was captured to diagnose an application exception. Additionally, the manual analysis of the same trace using PerView on your local machine is provided. It is expected that you have already downloaded the .NET Profiler Trace and PerView. A link to the video showing how to capture this .NET Profiler trace is provided in the description below, as is a link to the official PerView download GitHub repository. Select the web link icon next to the instance name to open the .NET Profiler Trace Analysis Report. Notice the breakdown of time spent in request execution between application code, platform, and network. Navigate through the different tabs and analyze the findings. For example, slow request, .NET Core slow request, failed request, .NET Core failed request, thread call stacks, .NET Core exceptions, and CPU stacks. As we're troubleshooting an application exception, the .NET Core Exceptions tab is of particular interest. Have a look through the exceptions, and you may notice an exception stack which contains a non-Microsoft assembly. This is a clear clue and is a point of great interest. Provide this input to the party owning this assembly and have them investigate the code. To analyze the .NET Profiler trace locally, open the .diag session file in PerView. Double-click the .diag session file. It will take a few moments to load, so please be patient. Once loaded, double-click or expand the diag session file to expose the ETL file. Double-click the ETL file. Expand the Advanced folder and double-click Exceptions Stacks. Notice the .NET process and the command line value that includes a non-Microsoft assembly, both of which are areas of interest. Double-click the .NET process. The Exception Stacks window opens. Select the By Name tab and you will notice the same exception which was rendered on the analysis report. Select the Call Tree tab and navigate into the modules, check by check, until you reach the non-Microsoft assembly. Provide this input to the party owning this assembly and have them investigate the code. And finally, but extremely important, is to recognize that memory dumps and .NET profile traces contain very sensitive information. Take extreme precautions and follow documented procedures for the handling of these files. Remove them from all devices once they are no longer needed.